folks, this is how you save $520 a year. You cut your hair yourself. It's like every 2 weeks, 20 bucks. You figure like, $16, $17, and then the $3 tip. This is what you do. Now, my wife's going to kill me or hate me for this because she normally doesn't want me to cut it this short. This is like when you enter the military. This is how short that they cut it. I mean, except for, having a razor, this is pretty much the shortest you're going to get. Normally, I like to, do it 2. But I figured, what the hell, let's go ahead and piss her off. Any of you veterans ever shave your head off again just like they did in basic training? It's supposed to be, degrading and make everybody seem the same. And I guess now that I'm getting older, I don't give a shit no more, at least I don't have to cut it that often if I shave it so much. It just comes off just like freaking butter. That easy, man. It's just nothing to it. Anybody can do it. You don't need to be no professional. I don't know, this might cost $20 at Walmart, so you're going to save $500 the first year for sure. Yes. Always start your day off with a shit, shower, and shave. At least the shit and then shower. Have you ever taken the shower and then, damn, you have to fucking shit? That sucks so bad, man. It does. If you have time, do you jump back in the shower again and use some baby wipes? Hope you just don't take your shitty ass to work, Well, that's the gist of it. I got a little bit of tune-ups to do, but make the video too long. We'll catch you on the next one.